How to target rich people on Facebook and Instagram. My name is Lex Olowo and I'm super excited to have you here today. If you've never watched any of my videos before, go ahead and subscribe. All the people that have seen my videos before, they always subscribe because they know that I give them amazing content. And if you're one of the people, you're coming back to this channel and you're yet to subscribe, I must say I'm disappointed in you. No. Go ahead, subscribe, and you're going to love everything that I do on this channel. Alright, so how do you get to target rich people with your Facebook ads? So today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can target people that can pay for the product and services that you render. So let's go. Alright, so when it comes to Facebook ads, one of the most important things you need to get right is your targeting. You see, every single time when you're running ads, one thing if you get wrong, you're just going to be wasting money on ads, is your targeting, right? So how do you get the best targeting for your ads, right? So how do you get the best targeting for your ads? First of all, number one thing you need to do before running any Facebook ad is to do your target market research, right? Your target market research. So if you know the kind of people you want to attract, so if you don't know what is target market research, I've done a video on this same YouTube channel. I think I've posted it on how to do your target market research, right? So go and watch that video step by step. I'm going to be teaching you exactly how you can work with your target market. You see, it is very, very important that you know the kind of people you want to attract. There is no product for everybody, right? So you need to target people based on their location. You need to target people based on their age. You need to target people based on their gender, people based on their special interest, based on demographics, based on their activities, the kind of activities that they engage on while they are online. So these are some of the things you can use to target people and get the best targeting for your product and service. Now, let me quickly show you. This is a client's Facebook account, and I want to quickly use this as an example to show you how you can start getting very, very good targeting, especially for those of you that sell products, right? So if you sell product, if you sell service, this is what is going to work for you. So let's go. So if you come here to this account, you can see that. So let me open it up. Let me see since January, since it's December 2022 till date. Let me open all the ads that have been run on this account. Like if I click on update, so if I click on update now, since December till date, on this ad account, we have spent 486,000 naira, right? On this ad account, we have spent 486,000 naira. Now, what is the result that we have gotten from this 486,000 naira? Now, if you look at here, you will see cost per result. Cost per result. So for everybody that we got results from, let us see how much it's costing us. Right now, 3 ads are running, and one is costing 60 per result, one is costing 83, another one is costing 44, right? So you can see all ads have the same budget. Look at it here. All 3 ads have the same budget. But because now this has converted 31 people today, this has converted 15 people, and this has converted 21 people, right? What is the difference? Why is this at 31? Well, this is at 15 and this is at 21. They all have the same budget, but they have different targeting, right? So the targeting has made this cheaper. It's costing the cheapest, yet has got, so we have spent 1,300 on this one, and we have gotten 31 people. We have spent 1,200 on this one, and we have gotten 15 people. And we have spent 1,200 on this one, and we have gotten 21 people. So if you scroll down and you see some other old ads, you will see this that was costing up to 300 for one action. That is a whole lot, right? If you scroll down and you would see someone costing as low as 30 something. Look at this one, it's costing as low as 35, right? It's costing as low as 35, and it had 152 conversions, right? Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. You will see a particular ad costing so low. Okay, I don't want to just keep going now. So what am I trying to say? The targeting makes up all these things work. So let me quickly open up the targeting of that very one that is costing less, right? Let me open up the targeting of that very ad that is costing the least. Okay, so this is the ad. I'm just going to duplicate it, right? I'm going to duplicate it. So because I duplicate it now, I click on duplicate, right? Then for you, if you don't know anything about running Facebook ads, right, this is not for you. Go to the YouTube channel, you see other videos about how to get started with Facebook ads and every other thing, right? Before you can come and say, so this is some kind of advanced stuff, right? And some people don't even know where I am now. I'm in the ad manager account, right? So if you don't know how to get to this point, how to get to the ad manager account, go watch other intro videos where we talk about the Facebook ads for beginners, right? Okay, so you see this now. Scroll down. If you come down here, you're going to see the targeting. One of the things you can notice about the audience, so first of all is the location, right? So because of the product we're selling, this person does not want to target the whole country. So on the location here, you see you can edit it from here if you click on this button. So we targeted Lagos. Look at the locations that are targeted, right? So these are the states where this ad is going to run, right? Those are the locations that the ad is going to run. If you scroll down, these are the items we used to target. So under detailed targeting, so first of all, let me show you the location. The age is left at 18 to 65. This is because many people don't use their real age on Facebook, so just leave the age. The gender, if you have a product for male only, use male only, but this is all gender. So under detailed targeting now, you can put in a whole lot of stuffs depending on the kind of people you are trying to attract, right? So this now, I'm attracting people based on their academic higher education, right? I'm attracting people. So look at, there's a whole lot of stuff here. So some of the things I can give you as pointers here is the kind of product you are selling, who does it appeal to? So last time I did an ad where I was doing an ad teaching people how to use a particular software. Now, teaching people how to use that software, I want to target people that are in the universities. So I targeted people in all the universities in Nigeria, University of Lagos, University of Ibadan. So, right, because those people in that sector most probably will need that software. So you can target people based on where they work. You can target people based on, look at this now, if you scroll down, I'm targeting people, different people based on different types of Facebook websites. Go down and targeting people that like luxury shopping. I'm targeting people that like luxury vehicles, people that like, if you scroll down, people that are into economics, engineering, marketing. There is a whole lot of targeting here, right? So my pointers are, number one, used engaged shoppers. So come in here and type engaged shoppers, right? If you type engaged shoppers, right, it is a behavioral category of people that are most likely to buy. You can also use people based on the kind of product. So let's say, for example, you're selling body cream, right? Use people that like luxury goods, people that like luxury shopping, people that like to book flight tickets, people that always are concerned about banks, people that, so those kind of people would buy those kind of products. So that way, you're going to be showing your ads to high net worth of individuals, right? High net worth individuals and all those kind of stuffs. So You can see this one has luxury goods, it has luxury shopping, people that are on the part of hardware. There is a whole lot of targeting based on all sorts of kind of things, right? So this is one of the things you can do. So your detailed targeting, just what I want to say is your detailed targeting is very, very important, right? Your detailed targeting is very, very important. Now, as much as your detailed targeting is important, how do you get all these details? You get them from your target market research. You have to do, there's no product for everybody, so you have to do your target market research, right? After you've done your target market research, another important thing is you need to test the ads, right? Do not run ads just straight away. You need to test the ads. Every single ad you want to do, there is surely going to be a test ad for it. Test it first, right? Test it first with a smaller budget before you put in the actual budget you want to use to spend on the ad, right? That's very, very important. Okay. So now after you have done, so most of the work is in your detailed targeting. Then the next part of the work is in your placement, right? Your placement. So you can either use the automatic placement, it's now called the advantage placement, or you can use the manual placement, right? So for this ad now, I just want to use it. I just want to, I want the ad to run on Facebook and Instagram. I don't want it to run, so Facebook and Instagram, most importantly, I want it to run on those two places. I could add Messenger. I could add that. And so those are some of the important things to put in the ad. So you can off some of the placement here, right? You can off some of the placement here and on and on and on like that. So after you're done with your placement, you can just come ahead and click on publish, right? So this is, so basically making your ads work well, you have to do your target market research and you have to test the ad, right? You have to test the ad. So your detailed targeting has to carry a whole lot of amazing stuffs, right? A whole lot of amazing stuffs based on your target market research. So quick tip of some of the things you can use. I talked about engaged shoppers. I talked about using devices. I talked about using banks. I talked about using universities. I talked about using luxury goods, people that are interested in luxury goods. So you can mention Rolex, you can mention yacht, you can mention, so people that are basically interested in things that are costly, right? So you can use that. And those are some of the things you can put in your ad targeting that would make it work very, very well. All right, guys, that will be all for now. But then I have an amazing course where I did details. I did a more detailed explanation on this, how you can get the very, very best out of Facebook ads. So if you're here now, there is the cost goes for just 2,000 naira, right? Just 2,000 naira. You can get access to that course where I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know about running effective Facebook ads. All you just have to do is go to the description of this video. I'm going to put the link to that course where I teach everything about Facebook ads and how you can get massive results from running ads on Facebook, step by step. All right, guys, I'm going to see you in my next video. Take it easy, guys.